Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start right now by raising the front and getting safe support. This keeps the suspension unloaded so parts move freely. Once the wheels are off, inspect the sway bar path and spray penetrating oil on end links and bracket bolts. This saves time and prevents rounded heads. Use a 15 mm or 18 mm socket and a ratchet. Arm yourself with a breaker bar for stubborn bolts. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection, and keep a drip pan under the steering rack for any debris or grease. You now focus on the middle of the job. Free the end links and brackets. First, hold the end link hex to prevent spinning and back off the nuts. Some vehicles have an inner sleeve or separate link to remove. Once the link nuts are out, unbolt the bushing brackets and slide them away, noting the bushing orientation for reinstallation. Use a pry bar to rotate the bar toward the center to clear damper mounts or steering components. Take photos as you go. They guide correct reassembly. You can now extract the sway bar by wiggling and sliding it free from the frame mounts while avoiding hoses and wiring. Once out, inspect bushings and end links for cracks or play. Replace anything worn so the system performs correctly. When reinstalling, reverse the steps, align bushings the same way, and torque all nuts to factory specs. This prevents noise and loosening. Troubleshooting tip: if a bolt won't budge, apply heat for 30-60 seconds and reapply penetrating oil.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.